Hi. In our previous video, we saw how to calculate cash flows for one financial period. Let's fill the rest of the table and calculate cash flows for the rest of the periods in our table. Given that all sheets are aligned, I can copy all of the formulas for the FY12 calculation of cash flow and paste them to the following periods. Let's do that. I'll select all of these cells and copy them. The next thing I'll do is paste them here in E4. Our cash flow calculation functioned. The check below shows 0. Let's do the same thing for 2014 as well. We'll copy the 2013 formulas and paste them for 2014. At this point, we can start to feed our balance sheet with the closing cash produced in the cash flow statement. I am making the link and copying it for all 5 years. This was the last input for the completion of our balance sheet. There is one problem, though. The balance sheet does not balance. And in fact, the empty column F enters in our calculations instead of the column E, where we have the numbers for 2013. We need to use Excel's Find and Replace tool in order to fix that in an efficient manner. What we want to do is to go and find all of the references to the column F, which are contained in the selected cell range, and replace them with the column E. This is easily done with the Find and Replace tool. We find it right here in the Home bar under Find and Select. What we are looking for is Replace. Now, remember, it is very important to select the range of cells before using this command. Here, under Find What, I'll type !F. And under Replace With, I'll type !E. Once we have done that, we can click on Replace All, and Excel will replace all references of the column F with references of the column E. I believe that this solved the problem, and the cash flow functions. Let's check whether the balance sheet is balanced for FY14. Yes, it is. We will have the same thing for FY15. Let's copy the formulas for FY14 and paste them for FY15. The problem is that, again, there's a reference to the blank column F. Let's do the same Find and Replace exercise that we did moments ago. This time, we will find the column F and replace it with column G. Find and Replace is an excellent tool which is very useful and is worth remembering. It solved our problem in this situation and is capable of doing so in other situations as well. The balance sheet for FY15 is okay now. Good. We can simply paste the formulas for 2015 to the other 3 periods, as the problem with the blank column would not exist anymore. We were able to complete the calculation of cash flows and balance our balance sheet. The next step in our exercise is to perform the actual valuation of the company. We'll do that in our next video. Thanks for watching.